So this week's word of the week for week number 27 is body composition. Now, body composition is the amount of fat, bone, water, and muscle that is in your body. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 27 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, invisible jump ropes. Exercise number 2, reverse lunges. Exercise number 3, heel taps. And exercise number 4, quick feet. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 27. Here are the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, invisible jump rope. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and put your feet a little bit staggered, and you're just gonna do basic jumps, okay? If you want to do single hops, you can do that. If you want to do double unders, you can try that as well. Whatever you guys are feeling like doing, you're gonna do 4 invisible jump ropes. All right, then moving on to number 2, we're gonna do reverse lunges. So you're gonna start with either your right foot back, left foot back. It's completely up to you. I'll start with my right foot back. And then what I'm gonna do is drop that knee straight down and up, down and up. So I'll do it 3 times on my right and then switch and then go 3 times on my left. All right, so those are reverse lunges. Moving on to exercise number 3, which is heel taps. So we're gonna go on down to our bottoms, to our backs. And what you're simply gonna do is lay down. Your hands are gonna go down to the side and touch your heel of your foot. And you're gonna go side to side, kind of like a penguin waddling, side to side. These are called heel taps. And then we're gonna move on to exercise number 4, which is quick feet. And we're just gonna chop in place, chop in place, chop in place. Try to stay on your toes if you wanna challenge yourself, or just get those hands pumping and legs going at the same time, okay? So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 27, and we'll start in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. Invisible jump ropes, go. Again, if you want to chair yourself, stay on your toes the whole time. If you want to count and see how many you can do. So in the second round, you try to beat that score. Maybe get some single hops in there. Okay. Get some boxers. Okay. All right, let's go, let's go. You guys are doing great. Keep it up. 5 seconds up. 4, 3, 2, 1. And reverse lunges. Let's go. Right foot back and go down. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. You are doing awesome, my friends. Keep up the good work. Coming up. And up, let's go, quick feet. Chop, 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 chop. All right, stay on your toes, chop around, chop around, chop around. You got it, let's go, finish strong, my friends. We are almost done with round 1. Keep working hard, don't stop. Give it your all, my friends. Just finish. Stay hydrated, grab some water, if you have a towel, wipe your sweat Fast 5 workout. Every workout requires no equipment, limited time. It only takes 5 minutes up to time for directions. But each workout is only 5 minutes, what makes it easy to do. This is actually Fast 5 workout number 27, so there's 26 other videos that you can watch. Okay? You can check it out on my main page at ThePESpot, as well as Fast 5 Workouts is another YouTube if you want to get straight to workouts rather than all the other P games. If that's what you want to do, head on over to Fast 5 Workouts YouTube page and check it out. Don't forget to subscribe and get that notification. All right, here we go. Round 2. Starting. 3, 2, 1, and go. This will jump rope. Go. Count. Some double unders in there. Responses. And switch. Reverse lunges. Get on back. Go. Right on back and go. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. Now my friends doing well. Woo! Oh, there. As you can see, they got a challenge, my friends. Hurt yourself, okay? Be positive. All right, let's go down, go down. Catch your breath, breathe in. Out. 3, 2, 1, go. Tap. 10 seconds left. I'm already at 30. How many have you done? Keep going, keep going. Work hard. We're almost done, my friends. All right, quickly, finish it off. Strong, everything you got. 30 seconds. Chop, chop, chop. Everything you got, my friends. Chop, 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 chop. Quick feet, quick feet. Work, 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 work. I know it's burning. I know you're feeling it. Keep going though. Work hard, okay? And time. Awesome job, my friends. I knew you could do it. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. Here's a virtual fist bump. Great job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 27. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout. What keeps you inspired to keep participating in these Fast 5 workouts? Drop a comment down below. And as always, at the ThePESpot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you guys for tuning into another amazing video. So today, it's a DIY, a do-it-yourself activity. Today, I am going to show you what I created out of a box. I created a cornhole game, which is when you have a beanbag or an object and you toss into another person's target. Your goal is to get into the different levels. We have small, medium, and large. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it and the different objects I used to create it. So make sure you guys stay tuned. That you're going to need for this is going to be a cardboard box. It can be any size. This is the only box I had, so it's kind of small, but you can definitely make it different sizes. If you have a bigger box, great. If you don't, again, just do whatever you can to make it work. So I have a box. I have 2 water bottles, and I have my 3 objects that I'm going to be tossing into the target, okay? So those are the only items I need, which again, box, 2 water bottles, and 3 of your objects. It could be a beanbag, it could be a sock ball, it could be a ball just like this. If you happen to have an extra piece of cardboard, I highly recommend this. So you could turn that cornhole game actually into a skee ball game. So what I'm gonna do is attach this piece right here onto the cornhole box. And now I'm gonna have a skee ball activity where I have some side bumpers that are gonna help me get inside of the holes. I'm gonna have my 3 items, my 3 objects. And again, instead of tossing it, I'm gonna roll it. Same motion as an underhand toss, except I'm gonna go low to the ground, opposite foot forward, right hand, left hand, whatever you guys are using. If you're right-handed, your left foot goes forward, right foot goes back. If you are left-handed, switch, right foot goes forward, left foot back. And what you're gonna do is swing that arm, go TikToc motion, nice and easy. I missed that one, I'm gonna try it again. And I missed that one as well, and I'm gonna keep trying. I'm gonna try to improve every single time I roll, staying close to the ground, as low as I can, similar to bowling. And I want you guys to show me how many points you guys got in 1 minute or after your 3 or 4 turns. So make sure you guys comment below how many you guys scored and show me your activities. I would love to see what you guys have created. So see you guys soon.